What's up, vlog? What's up with it? Just to show you guys a little bit of the side gigs I got going on, make money on the side. Right here, I'm in the attic right now, working. About to do some real quick work that's pay me a little bit of money. You gotta keep working, gotta keep hustling, gotta make sure we make that content for you guys, and we gotta make sure that we make money. If we don't make money, we don't got nothing. We can't purchase nothing, we can't buy nothing, we can't travel, we can't do none of that. So we always gotta keep hustling. I'm just showing you guys a little bit of it. Let me show you guys what I'm about to be removing real quick. All right? So, see the RAM board? Remove all that. Over here in the hallway, clean all that up. Take everything off the walls. This is a new construction house. Basically, they called me in and said, hey, look, come in, supervise, and help the I got some ladies downstairs that are actually working. My boss hit me up and said, hey, yo, look, can you come help them get ahead and then kind of supervise and watch them finish up. So again, another job on the side, right? I got my income from my actual job, and I got this coming in to where I can have at least a little bit of residual. You know what I'm saying? This is not primary, but it's enough to cover like gas, food, and all that kind of other stuff. See? Way to make money. Trying to put you on. All right, now I'm about to show you what it is. And, you're gonna see a little bit of this remove. It's dirty, so make sure you got this bad boys on. That's a freaking bed, bro. You want me to show you how it works? Freaking bed. Let me see if I can do it for you guys. Doing illegal things for you. I don't want to break it. It's not mine, so I'm not even gonna try. But yeah, you guys want a tour? Sure. All right, guys. Let me start by explaining to you what the three most important things to me are and how I'm able to do this and basically live and have fun. All right. These jobs are fun to me. All right. The most important things that I've learned and that I follow are top three, right? For my top three in the industry is number one, network, all right? Number two, work hard, all right? Work hard and let the work speak for you, all right? And number three is to advertise, right? Advertise, sell yourself, not literally, but to advertise yourself. What can you do, all right? It's just like a job, right? Build your portfolio up, correct? So, typical job like this, it can range anywhere from $60 and up. All right. I don't ask the prices most of the time. My boss and I have been working together for quite some time, so he just sends me to these jobs, and then he just pays me. I've gotten to the point where I've made money that I don't think I should have made, so I don't complain even. All right, and that's just my personal take. Other people have opinions. Other people have the job and what price they want, and they settle for that. But I typically don't care because we've been working together for so long, and he's helped me out more than I've actually needed. All right. So these jobs here are not, I'm not gonna say easy, but sometimes it can get tough, and sometimes it can be really easy. It's any service you can think about in contracting, commercial, residential. I've done it all right? And so you come in there, you do that job, you have instructions, you don't do anything else besides what the instructions are for you to do. You take photos, you send it in, and you're done. Because guys, we're talking about home construction here, and there's a lot of dirty people that get these jobs, right? And they sub them out to anybody and they just leave a mess. So call me the cleanup crew, all right? But I hope you're enjoying the view of this house. This is a really nice house, all right? But that's just the things that I believe, all right? What does these jobs do for me? Like when I do these, what do they do for me? That's what I get asked a lot. Well, they cover my gas, they cover my other expenses like food, going out, shopping for things that I want, that I wouldn't spend my primary income on. All right, that's what these jobs do for me. And if you have questions, feel free to comment below, and then I'll get back to you. But it's a way to make extra money on the side. Some people have side businesses. I just have a side hustle like this where I'm supposed to sell jobs to other people, which I do sometimes. Even the family members, when they want to make some money, and they can go ahead and do them. But I just do them because, there's no point. All right. So guys, remember those 3 important things, and always remember, when you're working, someone is always watching. Wow. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Guys, I need this kind of money right here. Support the channel. Support the channel. Wow. Freaking toilet is hidden. Alright, vlog. Alright, about to end the night. About to finish up here. But as you can see, this is really what I'm doing. It's dark out here, but still working. All right, we got trash we picked up and everything, but finishing up here really soon. So, hey, putting you on. Make sure you always have a side gig. One job ain't enough. All right, peace.